Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how multiple QR codes can be generated for a large number of data at one go. So let's begin. So for creating a QR code, first of all we need to have some data, right? So for that I have created one demo sheet in the Google Sheet with this much of field. One employee database is here, sample employee database is here. You can always make your own data sheet through Google Sheet or any of the spreadsheet where you will put the data which have to be shown or embedded in the QR code that you wish to generate. Okay, so this is the sheet. Let me tell you the fields that I have entered in the sheet. So first of all, the serial number is there, the name of the employee code, the date of birth of the employee, his her blood group, the contact number. Then is the column called QR code content. So here I have put all the details that will be displayed in my QR code. Okay, so this is a very crucial column. Then I have got the QR image. So this is the column actually where I want to the QR code to be generated, displayed here. So then I have the QR image. So this is the column where actually I want to display the QR code to be generated. And then I have the QR label. So for now I'll keep this column blank. So let's see how with the help of this much of data particular or specialized QR codes are generated. So for that we'll be needing one extension called bulk barcode and QR code generator. So for that I have to go to the add-ons on the toolbar. So by clicking on the add-ons, it will show me get add-ons. So when I click on get add-ons, it will display the list of the extensions provided by Google. So in the search bar, let me type bulk QR code generator. So these are the options. So you can click on any one of these. So these are the available options for my Church bulk QR code and barcode generator. So let me install this one for now. Install, continue. And this will ask you the Google account to which you would actually like to add the extension. So choose it. And then it will ask you for some confirmations. You have to allow them. And it's done. So the extension has been added to my Google account. So now let's begin the process of generating the QR code with the available data which is in the Google Sheet. So for that, let me go to the add-ons and click the extension barcode, bar QR code and barcode generator. Click on bulk QR code generator. So by clicking that, this window will appear which will show you the paper size. You can change the paper size from A4 to A5. The paper orientation, it is by default chosen as portrait. You can change it to landscape. The number of columns, it is by default showing as 3. You can change it if you wish to. Then cell padding and size, you can keep it like this. Then comes the QR code content. So this is the field which I have to match with the proper column in my Google Sheet. So let's check. So this is the column QR content which I want to match with the QR code content. Okay, so QR code description option is here. So let's take name of the employee for this, since I haven't created any column for QR code description. If you wish to, you can put another separate column for QR code description, and you can choose the color as well, but for now I'll keep it like this. And then comes the save QR code image too. So here I have to match the column with this, where I actually want the QR code to be displayed. So I'll choose QR image, and this is the option to fill color. If you want to create your QR code to be a colorful one, you can choose from the vast range of colors available over here. So let me try say this color, click on OK. You can also change the background color of your choice. Let's say this one. Okay, then the error correction level, it is in the low mode, keep it like this. The minimum version is 1. Then scale cell to image has automatically been selected. Then QR code level, again you have to match the QR code label with the proper column in your Google Sheet. Then label size, it is selected as 11, and label position for X and label position for Y have been selected at 50. You can keep it like this. This is the standard position, and here is the option for mode. Some of the options are here, say the label strip, the normal, the label box, image strip and image box. So by default it is shown as label box. You can keep it like this, doesn't matter. You can change the label font color as well. Let me try this one for now. You can also change the label font from this much of available font options. Let me check this one for now. And you can also select the logo if you have got your specialized logo for your organization or institution. You can select this logo, which will be embedded to the QR code to be generated. Okay, so by doing this we are almost done, and we can always preview the QR codes that have been generated against the fields or data available in the Google Sheet. So you can see 10 numbers of QR codes have been generated over here for 10 numbers of data which are available in my Google Sheet. And if I wish to scan the QR codes from any of the QR code scanners, you can always have any QR code scanner available. You can download it from the Play Store, or if you are using an iPhone, your normal camera should do the scan for you. So if I scan it, it will show me employee like this. See, the name of the employee has been displayed over here. So if I wish to scan, okay, so this is showing the name of the employee code, the date of birth, the blood group and the contact number, which were actually put in the column of QR content. So let me check another QR content. So here it is saying name of another employee, his contact employee code, his DOB, blood group and contact number. So our QR codes are almost done. So let's close this window, and now the final step is if I want to save the QR codes to a PDF, or I want to save the QR codes to the Google Sheet itself. So I'll choose Google Sheet for now, so that the QR code will be displayed against each of the entries. So it is saying your QR codes have been saved successfully. So let me close this window, and you can see that now these QR codes have been generated for each of the entries, each of the 10 entries that I have made in my Google Sheet. Okay, so again, if I wish to scan this, let me check. See, again the details of the employee, his name, his employee code, his DOB, blood group and contact number has been displayed. So this means the QR code has been working. So this way you can generate QR codes in a bulk mode for a large number of data, at one go. So hope you have liked this video. You can subscribe to this channel if you like this video, and you can also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video is posted over here. So stay tuned to InfoBits. Thank you for watching.